special guest. Today we have the Sith Lord here for such a short time, but oh, duckies, I'm so excited. Oh, and Sithy, hasn't this been a long-awaited day? Oh, but sadly, our galaxies were so far away. But you're here now and so delightful, yes, and duckies, I know you're wondering, what in the galactic empire do we serve the Sith Lord? It's so funny. Oh, but you know I have the answer. Today we have, of course, a black tea, black tea called Vinatana Kanda. And this tea comes from India. And it is so dark because they allow the tea to stay out in the sun until it is oxidized so darkly that you know it reminds me of the belly of a sarlacc. Oh, that's a good one, Sith. You don't like that? Oh, you're still a little salty over all of that goings on, aren't you, dog? Oh, I'm sorry, but you know this pesky Jedi, they're always getting the high ground, aren't they? Oh, I know. Well, try your tea, darling. Oh, that's so lovely. Well, Sith, you're not drinking your tea. Oh, it's a bit of a hindrance there, isn't it, for you? A bit of a hindrance. Well, I hope you can get over all the things that the Jedis have done to you. You know, you can't blame them, darling. Good always triumphs over evil. Oh, don't you try that mumbo-jumbo false choke on me! Ha! Well, sadly, duckies, that's all the time we have for today. Now, may the 4th be with you!